This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gmod on your computer. First, you'll need to acquire Gary's Mod, typically through a digital distribution platform such as Steam. Once purchased, ensure your system meets the minimum specifications for a smooth experience. After a successful download and installation, which usually takes a few minutes depending on your internet speed, you can launch the game directly from your library. This initial setup is straightforward, getting you ready for countless hours of creative fun. To ensure a smooth experience, your computer should have a dual-core processor running at 2.5 GHz or faster. 8 GB of RAM is recommended for optimal performance, especially when loading larger maps or many add-ons. A dedicated graphics card with at least 1 GB of RAM is essential for rendering the game's environments. Finally, make sure you have at least 20 GB of free hard drive space for the game and any additional content you might download. Once in the game, movement is intuitive, using the standard W, A, S, D keys to navigate and your mouse to control your view. You can jump with the spacebar and crouch by pressing the control key. The E key is your primary interaction button, used for opening doors, activating buttons, and navigating menus. To unleash your creativity, press the Q key to open the spawn menu, where you can select and create various items and tools. Gary's Mod offers a vast array of experiences beyond its sandbox mode. You can explore numerous official and community-created game modes, each providing unique objectives and gameplay. The Steam Workshop is an invaluable resource, offering thousands of free add-ons, from new weapons to custom maps and models. Don't forget to experiment with the iconic physics gun and tool gun for building and manipulating objects. Finally, join multiplayer servers to share your creations and play with friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.